Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow, 4th June. And the first stock is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital has broken the swing high, and this is one trend line connecting to previous swing highs, and we'll buy above this today's high is 3435. We'll give 5 point buffer. We'll buy above 3440, and don't jump into first 5 minute. Wait for the first 5 minute candle breakout, and if it breaks in first 5 minute, and then if it halts and make 3 4 inside candle, then that is a better setup. You will see many times stock fails in first 5 minute, and then it trade inside the first 5 minute candle, and after that in afternoon it will give breakout, or after some time it will give breakout, and then it will move. So that is a very good setup. Second stock is Bajaj Auto. It can break its ATH. The last time it made in Feb. Okay, then the level is 4360. So we have to keep this in radar. Like today Titan broken ATH, similarly like Colpal and BGuard. So we have to keep these kind of stocks in radar. Then we have Guj Gas. This is also trading at ATH and in a range from 3 4 months. Today it has broken it, so I'm hoping some move it will give. So we'll buy this above 585, today's high. Then we have Kalpataru Power. This will buy above 440. Then we have Jubilee Food. This we will buy today. In the end it has given breakout, so we will buy above today's high 3230. Then we have Tata Chem. Tata Chem will buy above this swing high 736 or 735. Then we have Kajaria Ceramics. Kajaria Ceramics will buy above 1010. Yeah, 1010. Then we have cash stocks BEPL, which is Bhansali Engineering. This will buy above 180. Then we have Goa Carbon, which will buy above 365. Indostar, this one is a risky, but if you can afford risk, you can buy. So always whenever you are buying risky stock, you see how is the performance from past 2 3 days. If you are profitable, you can take small risk, or else go with safe side. And if I talk about that particular day, like in morning, if you have 2 3 profitable trades, then also you can take risk, but take risk from your profit only. So this we will buy above. The label is 385. I have not written it, so just check the high of these two candles, which is around 385. Then we have IFB Industry. This you just keep in radar. We will buy above 1200. Then we have Mayur Unicoaters. This we have to buy above 481. Then we have Mahindra Life Space. Code is Mahalife. This will buy above 575. And Sonata Software, if it breaks swing high and round figure 700. Suri Rosni. This is also kind of a risky, but this stock gives good move whenever it breaks its previous swing high, starting from here. So we can take risk above 512. Sudarshan Cam, just keep in radar whenever it breaks this 731. Let me see if there is a trend line. No. Better is we'll buy above 731. Then we have VRL Logistic. This will buy above 270. Then we have Bardhaman Special Steel. This will buy above 210. Overeye Realty, like I told, above 650 we can buy. Today it has given good move. I have not entered because already it was moving like this. So around 650, this was the level. So don't take positions in these cases if stock is moving like this. If you want to take small risks with less position sizing, you can take, because the actual breakout it has given here in intraday. So if you are taking entry here, then there is no worry, you can carry. But new position at this 650, that is risky. So it has given this breakout. So it is good to carry in swing also. You can start adding quantities in dips and keep stop loss of somewhere around 600, which is a round figure also. Then we have GM Brew. This has given a range breakout after a long time. Today I had made a position in this stock, and so you can buy this above 506 in intraday. So in intraday also you can buy above 506. For swing you can start buying above 506 only. Otherwise, or else if it gives you some retracement and around this 470 475 level, if you see it is taking support on 15-minute candle, you can buy. Then we have Max Health. Max Health was taking support of this trend line, and this is also good for positional. In intraday, buy above 250. And Whirlpool we can buy for swing above 2250, and intraday also you can try above 2250. So that's for today. Thank you everyone.